வணக்கம் மாணவர்களே. 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஸ்டேட் போர்டில் லெசன் 1ல் ஃபிசிக்ஸில் வந்து எலக்ட்ரோஸ்டாட்டிக்ஸ் எக்ஸசைஸ் கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 2. The total number of electrons in the human body is typically in the order of 10 to the power of 28. Suppose, due to some reason, you and your friends lost 1% of this number of electrons. Calculate the electrostatic force between you and your friend separated at the distance of 1 meter. Compare this with your weight. Assume the mass of each person is 60 kg and use point charge approximation. The question பார்க்க ரொம்ப பெருசாக தெரிஞ்சாலும் பெரிய லெவலில் it is not very difficult question. It is the easiest question only. We decode this question. So you see here the total number of electrons in the human body is typically in the order of 10 to the power of 28. Actually there are 10 to the power of 28 number of electrons in our body. That is what they are trying to say. Suppose due to some reasons you and your friend lost 1%. The 10 to the power of 28 number of charges, like you are going to lose 1% each. Actually you are going to lose 1% of the electrons and your friend also going to be lost 1% of the electron. Okay. Now what we are going to find it out is calculate the electrostatic force between you and your friend separated at the distance of 1 meter. Actually solution is this is you, you consider this is you. Okay, you have got 10 to the power of 28 electrons. The same way you consider your friend is here, he is also has got 10 to the power of 28 number of electrons. 10 to the power of 28 number of electrons. So what they have given here is, you are going to, both of you lost, this is you, this is your friend, this is your friend. Now you and your friend are going to lose 1% of the electron, 1% of number of electron, both of you. இவர் ஒரு 1% லாஸ் பண்ண போறாரு. Your friend also going to be lost 1% of the electron. So you consider the 1% of electron you are going to lose. What is the value comes around at least we consider you are having 10 to the power of 28 electrons. The same way your friend also having 10 to the power of 28 electrons. So the loss of 1% of the electron from each of you, actually 10 to the power of 28 into 1%. So 1% means we are always saying 1% is nothing but 1 by 100. So 10 to the power of 28 into 1 by 100. So you can calculate this. 1 by 100 will become 10 to the power of 2. This is the 10 to the power of 28. So you can cancel. This is going to become 10 to the power of 26 approximately. So loss of electron is approximately 10 to the power of 26. So you going to be lost 10 to the power of 26 electron and your friend also is going to be lost 10 to the power of 26 electron. So that is what we have written over here. You to be lost 10 to the power of 26 electrons and your friend also, your friend to be lost 10 to the power of 26 electrons. Okay, that means, so the electron is lost. That means what happened, here become a more positive, that is 10 to the power of 26 electron, 26 positive charges you have got more. The same way your friend also has got 10 to the power of 26 positive charge on him. Okay, so in this way you have to understand. So electrons வெளியில போச்சுனா அதுக்கு equal amount of positive charge இந்த இடத்துல இருக்கும். The same way இங்கே என்ன இருக்கும், the equal amount of positive nature அதே போல இங்கேயும் கிரியேட் ஆயிருக்கும், பாசிட்டிவ் சார்ஜ் இருக்கிற மாதிரி you should understand. The amount of charge, the amount of charge, the amount of charge lost by last is 10 to the power of 26 into 10 to the power of minus 19. 10 to the power of 26. Okay, I can put like this. 10 to the power of 26 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. The amount of charge, the value of charge, the amount of charge, the quantity of the amount of charge lost is. That is what? This much of electron you have lost, so that ER become a 10 to the power of 26 into 10 to the 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. ER become a positive in nature. So what is the volume is going to come here is 1.6 into 10 to the power of 26 into 10 to the power of minus 19. You will become a 10 to the power of 7 coulomb plus 1.6 into 10 to the power of 7 coulomb. Actually, you are going to lose the electron minus 1.6 into 10 to the power of 7 coulomb, so that you have gained the positive charge. Electrons போச்சுனா என்ன ஆகும்? The person become a positive in nature. அப்போ என்ன நடக்கும் அப்படின்னா, you become a 1.6 into 10 to the power of 7 coulomb amount of charge positive in nature ல இருப்பீங்க. The same way your friend also is going to become plus 1.6 into 10 to the power of 7 coulomb in a positive nature. So now we are going to consider both of you as a point. That is what approximation they gave. So there is a point charge approximation. Here like a point charge. You are going to be like a point charge, and your friend also is going to become a point charge. So you both are separated by the distance of 1 meter. 1 meter. This is you. This is you. This is your friend. Your friend. Both are separated by the distance of 1 meter. So we know the formula of, from the Coulomb's law. What is the formula? The electrostatic force between you, both of you, is F is equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square. This is what the formula we know. So we know K is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9. K is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 Newton meter square Coulomb minus 2. This we know. And here Q1 is plus 1.6 into 10 to the power of 7 coulomb. The same way Q2 is 1.6 into 10 to the power of 7 coulomb. Okay. So now R is equal to 1 meter. The distance of separation is 1 meter. So now you put all those values. F is equal to, so 9 into 10 to the power of 9. And I can also put Q1. Q1 is 1.6 into 10 to the power of 7. The same way Q2 is 1.6 into 10 to the power of 7 divided by, both are separated by the distance of 1 meter square. So 1 square. 1 square. The value is going to become Fe is equal to, this is 7 plus 9 23. So 9 into 1.6, it is going to become 2.56 into 10 to the power of 23. Here is only 1, so that you can leave it. The denominator you don't want to write. Okay. So if you multiply F is equal to 9.25 and 9 into 2.56, you are going to get almost 23. You are going to get almost 23.04 into 10 to the power of 23 Newton force you are going to get. So what is the force you are going to get? Fe, the force of attraction, force of repulsion, because both are positive in nature, so that the both of you are going to get the repulsive force of 23.04 into 10 to the power of 23 Newton. Okay, this is what the first part asked by your question. The second part is, this is the first part. The second part is, so what I have asked is, compare this with your weight. We need to compare with our weight. So what is the weight? The value of the mass of the body. Mass of each percent, approximately they given 60 kilogram. That is what mass. Here they are giving the they want us to compare the weight. So weight means what? W is equal to m into g, mass into gravitational acceleration. So you can write 60 into 9.8. So we know m is equal to 60 kg and g is equal to 9.8 ms minus 2 meter per second square. So W is equal to mg 60 into 9.8. So you will get the value of 588 Newton. If you multiply 9.8 with 60, you will get 588 Newton. Now we want to compare, assume mass of each person, okay, and use what they have asked us to do it. Compare this with your weight. Compare panna sollirukanga. We want to compare this equation. How we can able to compare? Okay, so this is part 2 we have complete. So third one is we can compare Fe, compare Fe and weight. So we can go for this. What is in the previous page we know. So Fe divided by W. This is what the comparison we are going to put. 23, because we know here 23.04 into 10 to the power of 23. So 23.04 into 10 to the power of 23 Newton divided by. So here there is a 588 Newton. So Newton it's going to be cancelled because this is going to be ratio. So that the ratio of these two, the comparison of these two, Fe W is equal to we are going to be 588. You can subtract, you can divide this 23.04 divided by 588 into 10 to the power of 23. If you divide, you are going to get 3.91. You are going to get Fe divided by W, weight, is equal to 3. Actually, you are going to get this particular place 23.04 divided by 588. You are going to get almost 0.03911. This is what the value is going to come into 10 to the power of 23. So Fe by W is equal to, so you can prepone, actually you change this point, you can put it here, it is going to be 10 to the power of 22. You put it here, this particular place, it is going to be 10 to the power of 21. So you can change the points from here to here. So you will write 3.911 into 10 to the power of 21. This is what the comparative value, comparison between the electrostatic force between you and your friend and weight of the body. So I hope you have understand better this particular question number 2. So I hope you will read this and understand this. If any doubt, you can very much write the feedback. Thank you very much. Bye.